Okay, so we're at the last question of assignment 1. I was pretty quick with my descriptions on 3, 4, and 5, mainly because I wanted to get them all on a 15-minute video. I ask you to pause it here and there, and so really I don't want to babble on while you can just pause it and look at it. So this is just number 6. This will be 5 minutes or so, but just so you know, if I'm ever too quick, you can always email me and ask for clarification. All right, so this problem, I think we've even seen before, maybe this exact problem. A cubic polynomial, blah, 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 is defined as such. A, B, and K are constants. Function has a local min at -1 and a point of inflection at -2. Therefore, there are two things. A local min at -1 means f prime of -1 is 0. Point of inflection at -2 means f double prime of -2 is equal to 0. So, we find the derivative of f of x. We find the second derivative of f of x. And we evaluate it at, for the first one, -1. Boom, boom, boom. Set it equal to 0. And the second one at -2. Set it equal to 0. And we end up with, in the second one, we solve for a. So -48, add 48, blah, blah, blah. A equals positive 24. We take that positive 24, we put it back into our first derivative, and we end up with 12 minus 2 times 24 plus b, and we end up with b equals 36. This is basic algebra from here. So we solve for a, we solve for b. Okay, second one, right here, is the integral of f of x from 0 to 1 is equal to 32. Find k. So we plug it in, and we're integrating this. But notice, remember we solve for a and b, so really we go right to this value right here. 4x cubed, so on and so forth. So in this case right here, this is a very basic reverse power rule. You go up to x to the 4th, this becomes 8x cubed, 18x squared, and k becomes kx. That might be one of the ones we struggle with a little bit. K is a constant, so if it's 5, it becomes 5x, so on and so forth. So this is our integrated format, and we evaluate it at 1 and 0, and it equals 32. Well, because there's an x value for every term, evaluated at 0 just equals 0, therefore this simply becomes 1 to the 4th, or 1, plus 8 times 1 to the 3rd, or 8, plus 18 times 1 squared, plus k times 1 equals 32, some magic algebra, and we end up with k equals 5. So that brings us to numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, assignment 1. And I will do assignment 2 before class tomorrow. Take care, folks.